Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We're here with Miss Katie Mack.
Morning vlog.
We just had our brunch. Our lunch breakfast. Anyway, today I'm finally announcing to you guys which apartment I got, and we're gonna go and measure it all out so that I can start ordering stuff and planning ahead. And I haven't seen it yet. Yeah, and Katie's excited because she hasn't seen it yet. Also, there's something like on my camera when I was editing. Did you notice that weird line, like the black line? It looked like a hair. Also, this is a mosquito bite, not a zit. Felt the need to put that out there.
Kiara has a zit.
It's just so large. Anyway, let's go see the apartment. We're here. We just drove through the town and I was telling Katie, it's literally like living in Stars Hollow from Gilmore Girls.
It feels, well, she was like, you wanna know what this feels like? And I was like, Gilmore Girls.
And I was like, yes, I'm basically living in Stars Hollow. We're gonna get let into the apartment and then it's time to measure it up. It's definitely small.
But bright.
But bright. Okay, I guess I haven't really announced it, so here we go. I chose the 1-bedroom corner unit, which was the 5th apartment that I showed you guys in the video. A lot of you guys had guessed it. Some of you guys were like, I don't like how the walls are weird, like how it's not square, because the other 1-bedroom is more square. Unit 4 was the 1-bedroom that was a square. It was so dark in the back. You cannot tell in the video, but because it was like a rectangle shape, if you stood in the back of the apartment, like the whole kitchen part was so dark and just felt like weirdly claustrophobic, where the windows in this one are so much better. So I got the 1-bedroom, and yeah, this place has 2 months free, which is basically how I was able to also upgrade and get the better apartment. Katie's here with me. Should we make this an empty apartment tour? We might as well.
Big things are happening over here.
This is right when we walk in the door. We'll probably measure this area because I want to do some sort of bar cart right here, storage, whatever. And then right here is the storage closet. So we've got washer and dryer on this side, which is, I mean, we still have—
You can store like a suitcase up there and stuff, yeah.
I think that's a little too skinny for my skis, but like maybe my ski pole.
What if we could we shift it over a little bit to get your skis in there maybe?
I don't know.
Okay.
We might be able to figure it out. Wow, this glides
I know.
nicely. This is so nice. Okay, so then this is the other half, and I just ordered from Target like a storage rack because the one at school was too big. I think it was, yeah, it's too big for sure. But yeah, that'll be nice. I can put like some bins up there, and this will really hold like all of my printer, stuff like that. It's so bright in here, it's lovely.
I know, it's so
over here
nice.
We've got, wow, there's a shower light.
I know.
Wow. Super nice bathroom furnishings. It's got one of those showers that makes you feel like the rain is falling on you, which is wonderful. We've got a nice toilet.
Fancy toilet.
Someone got mad at me in the comment section being like, it's not marble countertops, they're fake. Yes, I know they're fake, but they look like marble, so it's close enough. I'm definitely gonna have to probably get some new drawer organizers because the ones that I have are different, but we can put that on the list and measure these all out. I love that you can like slam them.
Yeah, that's so nice. What's it like under here?
Oh, really good space.
Wow, you have a lot of space. That sink is like very
compact.
Yeah.
She's skinny.
It's the little things you get excited about as an adult.
This is my room. It's very bright. The only thing, when I toured this, we had no idea what this is. So it could be a light. Let's find out. I think it is a light. Oh. Oh no, what is that? Oh, is the airflow?
Oh, maybe.
So I will need to purchase a light because there's only a light in the closet.
Well, this light switch has to do something.
Yeah. Look.
Oh.
Oh my god, it's like Hannah Montana when she like opens her closet light and all the clothes start like rotating.
Wow, this is huge.
Yeah, the closet's really nice and it's got so much organization in it.
Yeah, this is so nice.
Get ready to help me organize my clothes.
Oh my god, I can't even, I feel like I
She's organized all my closets for me. Lots of hanging room, like I have 3 different hanging racks.
Yeah.
Because then this side is...
Oh yeah, because it's the double.
And then you know those things that I have in my other closet from Container Store that you open?
Yeah.
Those will fit really nicely there. Really
I mean,
good.
it goes so high up
So
here.
high. That's the best part too.
Yeah.
I might even be able to fit my skis back in that corner, so we'll see. My nightstand here.
Right.
Hopefully when we measure this, it's gonna work out. Really hoping for that. It's gonna be tight, but.
Where are you
then
planning on your?
here.
Yeah, okay.
And then my dresser will be right here.
Is it tall and skinny?
No, it's short. And that's pretty nice. Still pretty bright in here, even with them down.
Yeah, no, I mean, not shooting from that way.
Yeah, if you were to film here.
Oh, it's like really good lighting.
So then, main living space. We have some space here. I could maybe, well, I guess it's a walkway, so I probably won't put my shelves there.
You could put your shelves there because it opens up
on this side so it's not claustrophobic. Like you would still have space.
Right, or I could do one of these walls.
Yeah.
So then this will be like the dining area. So I'll have the dining room table, little chair set here. They're gonna take this down. It's a bike rack, and this will take it down before I move in. Wow, this is so, it's
The
so
stove.
nice. I love the tile.
This apartment was made for you.
This will be a little funky, like doing the kitchen, just based off of what I have now. Sauces, yeah. But you know my kitchen now has a lot of.
Yeah, we do have a lot of storage, yeah.
So it'll be different, for sure.
I think you're gonna need to condense a little bit, but that might be good for you.
Oh,
so nice.
So nice. Look at her.
Yeah, this is really nice. I mean, it goes, like you have a lot of layers.
I'm definitely gonna have to get some sort of step stool. So this is why I think I'm gonna have to get a different trash can. We'll measure it, but I think the one I have now won't slide under. And I might wanna use this for like pots and pans, because where else would I put my pots and pans?
I mean, you could use one of these for pots and pans, I feel like.
Figure that out.
Yeah. You could even do pots and pans up here, because this is deeper. Oh my God, this
That might
is
be
so
like my
deep.
pantry thing, or where I keep like
But it's
the
so
juicer.
Well, you're gonna need to get, I think, like maybe a bar cart or not a bar cart, a kitchen cart or something to fit more in.
Because I don't know how much drawers. Oh, this is a deep drawer. I see.
Yeah, that's nice.
That's the apartment. This is the living room. It's a little bit small. We've got an AC unit up there. We'll probably do like TV stand, some stuff on the wall, and then the couch. And that's like the hardest thing that we're about to measure for right now, because it is
a
a little tight.
How tall? How many inches are you?
Oh, I'm 66.
Okay, lay on the floor. So I'm gonna take a picture for sizing reference.
I'm so sore, dude.
I am too.
I brought a piece of paper and a pencil. Who's the better artist? Probably you. We got our blank sheet of paper, a pencil.
Do you want me to draw out the layout?
Yeah. On my phone, I have that bird's eye view.
Yeah, I need to look at that for
Yeah.
sure. Okay, I'm gonna sit on the floor.
I'm really excited.
I am so happy right now. This is maybe the happiest I've been since quarantine started. It's so nice when I have something to look forward to that I don't have to pay for.
I'm just excited that I can have her stay with me. So I'm not all by myself.
Low key. You should be.
Dude, I'm so sore that laying here like this.
It hurts.
It's physical pain. Like holding my back.
If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you should. I posted a clip of us going tubing and like living our 12-year-old selves lives.
And it wrecked us.
Found the bird's eye view.
This isn't necessarily gonna be like fully to scale.
Yeah, I know, it's okay. We're gonna measure. This is gonna be like a little time-lapse thing.
There's something about the way that you understand. We don't need a rush and we don't need to make no plan. You say pace yourself, slow it down. And I don't want to waste my days.
Onto the bedroom.
Bedroom time.
Let's set you guys up.
This is the most stressful part because I'm so worried because I already bought this furniture. So this is exactly 36. So my dresser has to be less than 36.
Do you know what your dresser is?
I can look it up online. That's 36. This is 32. I feel like we're architects.
We're like running a science experiment right now.
Yeah, we're like, all right, okay. We gotta go hold it over here. Some precision, yes, please. This is the cheapest measuring tape. So to this corner is 108. I mean, it's gonna be narrow from the footboard to the closet.
Yeah.
Actually, do I have a footboard? I don't really know. I can't remember now.
Well, let's look up the
Let's
size
look
of
up the
your
bed. Katie's stressed.
Wait, how deep is it?
How deep is what? Oh, good. That was very smart, Katie. How deep is it? That's a great question.
It is funkily shaped, but I'm like into it. Like I like that it's different.
I like it different. I didn't want something that was so square.
I'm gonna do it right here.
We're at 106.5. Do you see this cute little place out here that I saw? What is that?
Yeah, it is really cute.
What is that? Like a plant shop? Another one?
I think it is. It's like an aesthetic plant shop.
Oh, we've been blessed. Well, that is a lot of measuring in the full apartment tour for today. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like the apartment and are excited. Shout out to Katie for helping me out. Go subscribe to her and her channel.
Oh, gee, thanks.
I move in August 1st. Today's question of the day is gonna be,
Your favorite piece of decor in your house?
yeah, what's your favorite piece of decor in your house? What is yours? Definitely your dresser your dad made you.
Yeah.
100%. I kind of like the thing my dad made me, the little leaning
Yeah,
shelf
I
thing.
do too.
All right, bye.